My new bike just came in, so let's open it up and check it out. All right, so here's everything that comes in the box. You can see we have the frame and the rear wheel. That's all hooked up, which is great. And as you can see, we've got the necessary installation tools included. And we have a quick release axle for that front wheel. This mountain bike has dual disc brakes for precise stopping. So whether you're navigating steep descents or sudden stops in traffic, this bike's reliable braking system is going to ensure immediate response and consistent control in all weather conditions and give you peace of mind on every ride. This bike has a 21-speed drivetrain and responsive trigger shifters that allow for smooth gear changes and effortless climbing. So say goodbye to shifting problems and heavy bike fatigue during long-distance trips and intense uphill trails. This bike has a front suspension system for a smooth ride, and it has a comfortable seat as well that's made of high elastic foam and cotton. So let's get this seat adjusted here and take this thing for a ride.